Ever pondered on the intricacies of bringing your imaginations to life? Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing. In this sphere, one name that resonates with innovation and quality is the Creality Neo. This 3D printer, a marvel of technology, has been turning heads and raising eyebrows in the 3D printing community. Its key features are nothing short of impressive. The Creality Neo comes with an ultra-quiet stepper motor. This means you can let your creative juices flow without the constant buzzing or humming of machinery. The tranquility of your workspace remains uninterrupted, fostering a serene environment for creativity. Another standout feature of the Creality Neo is its easy assembly. It is designed such that it can be assembled in a matter of minutes, saving you the hassle of complex setups. This simplicity does not compromise its robustness. The Creality Neo is built to withstand rigorous use, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and professionals. What's more, the Creality Neo comes with a high printing precision. The layers it prints are so fine and detailed, it's almost like the object has been crafted by hand. This makes the Creality Neo perfect for intricate projects, where precision is paramount. But that's not all. The Creality Neo also boasts of a large build volume. This means you can print larger models, or multiple smaller models at once, making it an efficient choice for those with high-volume printing needs. Finally, the Creality Neo is known for its excellent customer support. Should you encounter any issues, their team of professionals is just a call away, ready to assist and guide you through any difficulties. In summary, the Creality Neo 3D printer is a game-changer. Its ultra-quiet operation, easy assembly, high printing precision, large build volume, and excellent customer support make it a standout choice in the world of 3D printing. It is more than just a printer. It is a tool that brings your imagination to life in the most precise and efficient manner. The future of 3D printing is here, and its name is Creality Neo. As a user of the Creality Neo, I can personally vouch for its excellence. The first time I used it, I was amazed by its seamless operation. It was like the machine intuitively knew what I wanted to create. The ultra-quiet stepper motor made the process so much more enjoyable, and the easy assembly meant I was up and running in no time. The precision of the prints I've been able to produce has been nothing short of astounding, making my designs come to life like never before. The Creality Neo has truly revolutionized my 3D printing experience, and I'm confident it will do the same for you.